Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the class. Okay, all of you open your English textbooks, ma. All of you open your English textbooks. Open page number 29. Open page number 29. So, in previous classes, we had discussed Will the Boat Float story, right? Right? Will the boat float story. Okay. Depending on that story, we had to complete 2 exercise, okay, in English textbooks. Okay, let us start. Okay, all of you remember the story, right? Okay, so let us start the exercise. So all of you open page number 29. Okay, see here. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Here, see, from the story we had some sentences. In those sentences, there are some blanks, right? So we have to fill that. So for us, here options are there. So we have to select the right option to fill the sentence. Okay, children, let us start. First, all of you observe the pictures, children. First, all of you observe the picture. Okay? Okay, now let us see the sentences and what we have to fill in the blanks. First, a dog, a dash, a pig, and a dash are friends. So I have told you that in the story we had 4 friends, right? We had 4 friends. What are those? Cow, pig, rat, and dog, right? Dog. Here, dog and pig is there, and we had blank. So we have to fill a dog. So dog is there. Next, a dash. So what in these 4 friends, 2 friends are missing. Here dog and pig are there. And what about 2 more friends, and what are those? Cow and rat. So cow and rat are missing. So we have to fill in this blanks. So a dog, a cow. Cow is not there, right? So write cow here in this blank, cow. So a dog, a cow, a pig, right? So 3 friends are there, and 1 more friend is left. What is that? Rat, right? Rat is there here. Rat is left, and a rat. So in the second blank, write the rat are friends. So a dog, a cow, a pig, and a rat are friends. Okay, these 4 are our friends, right? Okay, we had completed the first sentence. So what is the first sentence? A dog, a cow, a pig, and a rat are friends, right? So these 4 are friends, right? Okay, so first one is completed. So come to the second one. Here is a small dash. So observe the picture, and what he is saying, here is a small dash. So in this picture there is something. So we have to identify what is that, and we have to fill the blank. So what is the question? Here is a small dash. Means in this picture there is a one small thing. So what is that? So observe the picture. Here boat is there, right? Boat is there. So this boat is small one, right? So in the options also we had boat. So here is a small boat. So observe this picture. Here there is a small boat, right? So here is a small boat. So all of you write boat here. B-O-A-T, boat. So we had completed the sentence. Here is a small boat, right? See the picture. There is a small boat here. So here is a small boat. Okay, second one is completed. Next, the dash gets into the boat. The dash gets into the boat. Means observe this picture. Which one is getting into the boat? So we have to identify which one is getting into the boat and we have to fill the blank. Okay, we have to fill the blank. So observe this picture. So once remember the story, children. One recollect the story. Already cow and pig are gets into the boat and rat is waiting. Now what is getting into the boat, children? Dog, right? See, observe the children. Dog is getting into the boat. Dog is coming into the boat. So here, what was the question? The dash gets into the boat. So who is getting into the boat? Dog, right? So observe the picture. Dog is getting into the boat, right? So in the blanks, we have to write dog. D-O-G, dog. The dog gets into the boat. Right here, the dog only gets into the boat. So already cow and pig gets into the boat. Now the dog is getting into the boat and rat is waiting there. So here the sentence is the dog gets into the boat. Okay, we had completed the sentence. Okay, this is exercise 1. That is in page number 29. So all of you copy this, children. Okay, now turn the page, all of you. So we had one more exercise. So that is page number 30. That is page number 30. So what is that? So what we have to do? Look at the pictures and sequence them in order. So here pictures are there. So through the story, we have to sequence the pictures. Means here pictures are there. These pictures are not in sequence. So we have to identify the sequence. Means we have to identify the step by step. Okay. So write each word from the help box under the right picture. So here steps are there. What is one is first one, first, next, then finally. So by observing these pictures, we have to tell what is the first activity, what is the next activity, and what is the then activity, and then what is the final activity. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to identify what happened first and what happened next, what happened then, and what happened finally. So if we all recollect the story, so we can do it. Okay, children, I will say you what happened first. Then all of you recollect the story and complete this exercise. Okay, children. So see the first. So in the story, we all know that these 4 friends, means cow, pig, dog, rats, are friends and they want to go to village from city, right? So observe these pictures and this one is the first activity. So write first here. F-I-R-S-T, first. Right? So this one is the first activity. So they planned to go to village from city. So this one is the first activity. So like that, observe these 3 pictures and write what happened next and what happened then and what is the final activity. Okay, children, this is you have to do the work. Okay, children, this is today's your homework. Okay, children, all of you complete the exercise in page number 30. Okay, so this is about the today's English class. If anyone has doubts, pin to me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay, children, all of you have a nice day. Bye.